Hello, 8th grade parents and students. Today is Tuesday, August 13th. Just want to give you a super quick recap on what we accomplished today in class. First, and maybe the most important, I hate to put history in a back seat, but maybe the most important is don't forget that this handbook agreement form needs to be at school signed by Thursday, just saying that you read or agree to the new student. There are some changes from years past, but please get that to me, the homeroom teacher, by Thursday. Okay? Also, in class today, just want to give you a recap on what we did. We did something today called Vice Admiralty Courts, and we learned about something called the Writs of Assistance, two of my, unfortunately, favorite things the British did or put on to the American colonists. If you look at the assignment, it shows you what we did first, shows you what we did second, shows you what we did third, tells you what to label each part of your class notes, and most importantly, tells you what needs submitted. No submissions for tonight. Below these steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, are the sources that we use for this assignment. So when you click on one, it has our class notes, our kind of our guide that we followed today in class. A second thing is the actual textbook, so you don't really need to take your textbook home. This is the part that we're responsible for today. And then lastly, we watched a short video over the writs of assistance. So that was kind of our day. Don't forget we have a quiz Friday over this week's lessons, and don't forget your handbook agreement form. Okay? Have a great night. I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday.